Hello everyone, this is the Fun Gang and today we are playing Beeswarmsimulator part something. Okay, let me just continue my hive. Hello everyone. So I have gotten a lot of honey since we last met and also completed some quests and also I got a bunch of tickets. So we're getting cobalt B. Let's go. Okay. We are getting cobalt or crimson. I think cobalt. Oh my. This is cobalt B egg. Okay, that's amazing. Well, before we do that, we of course have to do something. You know exactly what the something is. Now, this. I'm gonna buy a different slot. Don't worry, we still have enough money, even if we buy another slot. We bought one, and there it is, nice and empty. Okay. Wait, there we go. And oh, we got the cobalt bee. Oh my goodness. Okay, I need to take a picture. I need to take a bunch of pictures. There we go. Oh my. Okay, we have our first event bee and it is so low level, like very low level. Yes. It's 1 nano berry. Got him to level 4. A bunch of no, how about a bunch of moon charms? That'll get him up. 12. It's level 5. I need a higher level. I don't know. Well, I have 3 royal jellies, so let's use them on this one. Rage bee. Got cool bee, stubborn bee, and we're running off on a bumble. We have a radioactive thing. What do you like? You don't like sunflowers, you like treats. Everyone likes treats. Do you like strawberries? No. Do you like pineapples? Do you like a blueberry? No. What are you? I don't know. I think we can't make it gifted. Well, we got our first event bee, so hey. And well, before we do anything like claim our tasks, I'm gonna go to here and kill the. Come on, still. Well, probably in a bit, cause I'm just gonna do some stuff. So there's only one quest that I've completed. I've completed a lot of other quests, but the types, they like some of it. So let's talk to Polar Bear, which that's an easier way. Just go over here. We were right there, but hey. Now we have like 26 bees. We just need 4 more to go to the 30 bee place. Now just fly all the way up here. Boom, and there we go. Polar Bear. Got a lovely new quest from Polar Bear. And then we need still. We need 2 more spider. Let's kill 1 spider now. Okay. After that, we can finish the real final showdown, as Panda Bear likes to call it. We need just a little bit more white pollen, and there we go. We finished the white pollen. So we need bamboo and mushroom. And now for I think it's, yeah, we so long on stump. The problem is that the snail keeps stealing everything. Well, you know, we have a lot of money. So, hey, let's go. No, 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 no. Oh, yes, yes, yes. Portal Hive. Okay. Shall I get the blue one? No, I'm gonna hit the red one. 3, 2, 1. Okay, I got it. How much can this hold? 800,000. It's probably gonna get more. But hey, at least it can hold more. Now let's go all the way over here. Fly over here. Wee. And now get. Boom, we got the golden rake. We already have the glider. Don't have that. So next thing up, we need beekeeper's boots. I just need how much oil do I need? Where's the oil? I have 2 oil. I need 3 more oil. Okay. And now I'm poor. Sad. Well, now that we have our new golden rake, let's go to bamboo. And I'll be back to you when I finish brown bear thing. Wait, let me just do something. Oh, there you go. That's awesome. Okay, this is probably not gonna take that long with our new golden rake. So I'll be back to you when I finish brown bear's quest. Hello. I was doing the quest, but then my bag got full and then a vicious bee spawned. And I'm also kinda done. So yeah, I'll be back to you when this is dead. And he's dead. Well, not really dead. Now he's dead. And I got 2 stingers. And 1,000,000 honey. That's the best thing I want. Okay, let's just use all my honey. And I still can't believe we got cobalt bee, which is, you know, cool. So I'll be back here when this is done. Okay, I am done from the stump field, and also a vicious bee has spawned. If it's not gifted, I'm not gonna actually kill it. Cause like it won't give me anything, only like 2 stingers, and like want to do other things, and there's like kill vicious bee, kill vicious bee, kill vicious bee. Is it gifted? It's not, but hey, has like 10,000 health, so I'll just kill it fast. So yeah, I'll be back to you in a flash. It is dead, and for some reason I got the same amount of stingers that I got from a level 7 one. The more you know. Well, while I'm here, let's go talk to Brown Bear. Sorry you couldn't hear me that good. Well, now let's talk to Brown Bear, Black Bear. 10 tickets and a few 100,000, blah 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 blah. Oh, what's this? Stump badge junior. Another badge. I'm getting badges so fast. Okay, Bumblebee. I'm running off on a. Ah, come on. I want another cobalt bee, but hey, I already have a cobalt bee, so now I am gonna give it 5 or 11, and no mutation. Up and down and up and down and up and down and up and down. Hoppa duppa hoppa duppa hoppa duppa duppa hoppa. Well, let's start the grind to up. 25 bees, and also this is the last spider I need before I can talk to Panda Bear, and he's gonna give me a golden egg. Okay, well, I can. Or first ant quests, only 10 ants. I'll just do that later, but before that we need to get a new slot because we have a gold egg. I was wondering what if we get a new slot, where are we gonna put it? Now we know where. You just shut up. Why do you do so much damage? We have a golden egg. Ooh. And we got a rage bee. I mean, what was I expecting? 79% chance to be an epic. And a 1% chance to be a mythic. So hey, we got a rage bee, but now the real thing is 27 bees. That's the cool thing. Use honey dispenser. Whoa, I'm fast now. All of my quests now are kill, level up, kill, level up. Except the colorful graving. We need blue pollen and red pollen. I mean, my backpack can hold a bunch of red pollen. So hey, first let's do this ant challenge. Yeah, so I'll be back to you in a flash. I am doing so good. I think I can get a gold ant thing and ant amulet. Maybe if I don't die from the lawnmowers. Yeah, you're in the middle. I need 42,000. I think I'm getting the golden ant amulet. Maybe even a supreme one. I don't think so. But hey, we never know. Yeah. We're on round 12. And I'm almost dead. Ouch. Kill that ugly ant. Before I get killed. Middle is safe. Oh no! Oh, it scared me. The place. We have a gold amulet. We have gold. We have the moon and the gold. We have a lot of stuff. 4 royal jellies. Finally, we went off on a bumblebee. I think I'm gonna use on my new rage bee. Hey, we got a commander bee. Pineapple for the lion bee until gifted. No, not gifted. Well, now we can talk to Panda Bear and Brown Bear. I mean, just need 10 more honey tokens. We can talk to honeybee. He's a lot of he wants a lot of stuff. Where is Brown Bear? I forgot. Oh, right over there. For some reason I forgot where Brown Bear was. Okay, we're on 2 million honey. Okay, that's pretty medium. Now let's kill the ladybugs. Oh, we got a royal jelly from a ladybug. Cool. Now let's talk to Brown Bear. What are you gonna give me? 2 royal jellies and 25 bitter berries. 25. Are you crazy? So let's go all the way over here. Wait, before that, let's check how long till the idiot beetle comes. Oh no, kill him. Ouchie, ow. Ow, stop. Don't want to die to an idiot. Nope, haha, I'm not there. Haha, I'm not there either. Haha, I'm not there either. With my ants, just kill him. Yee. Ants, please kill him. Can you not catch up to him? Yee. Oh no. Move! No! Move! Oh my goodness. I almost died. Wow, 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 wow. What did I get? I think 5 royal jellies, I'm not sure. Let me get out. I think like some tickets. 34 tickets. We can almost get the. We're getting tickets fast. And then we can get our crimson bee, which should be awesome. So let's give a royal jelly to this ugly bumblebee. We got a stubborn, and we got a buckabee. I think that's good. Now we go to the bumblebee, bomber, stubborn, commander. We have like what, like 3 command. I thought we didn't have any commanders. No. Well, sorry, high level. You're not gonna be a rad bee. Very rad. I'm just gonna keep giving my cobalt bee like a bunch of stuff. Gonna give him some. When is he gonna, you know, what's the word? When is he gonna level up. Where are my blueberries? I think my ninja. Nope. This music? There we go, this music. No gifted. Okay, so let me just check something. Okay, that's kind of the end of this episode. Hope you liked it. Like and subscribe, and as always, don't have a good day, have a fun day. But before you leave, let me just, if my bees would just go, we got amazing upgrades. We got a golden rake that can do this. Boom. And a red backpack, because I don't want to get a blue backpack, because I don't know. And we also got 2 new hive slots and 2 new bees. One of them was our cobalt bee. So now we just need 3 more bees till we can go to the 30 bee place and get a free diamond egg. Oh, but before you go, there's a bunch of codes that we're gonna get next episode. So as always, don't have a good day, have a fun day. Goodbye, everyone.